Welcome, my hobbies, to a Thriving Artist Challenge Day 30. Wow, I'm so proud of you. You have come this far. Coming to this point was very difficult, but you did it, and I'm really proud of you. Before I talk about final day's topic, I want to remind you something. As an artist, you can have your financial freedom without sacrificing your quality of life. You just need to overcome your self-doubt and make a plan that works. In Jumpstart Artist Academy coaching program, we help hobbyists who want to become financially independent by doing what they love, art, providing them a very well thought plan, customized plan will help with their time management, their finances, and also will help them get rid of their self-doubt. If you're interested in this program and working with me one-on-one, I'm putting the free consultation link in the description down below. And now we can go back to today's topic. We talked about how a beautiful idea it is to create your online course, but we didn't talk about which platforms will be the best for you. There are three types of platforms that I can talk to you about. One is just course only, and the second one is course plus search engine, and the third one is everything. And I'm going to talk to you about what everything means. If you're looking for a search engine plus course experience, meaning people can find your course through going to the search box, then I can tell you Domestika, Udemy, or Skillshare could be a good choice. If you just need a platform to create your course, but not necessarily it's going to be a search engine, which means you need to do your own marketing, then you can use Thinkific or Teachable. But if you want everything in one, such as your website, your funnels, your products meaning not just only a course, but it could be an ebook, a podcast. If this is something that you're interested in, Kajabi is the best one. I know its price range is pretty high, but you make it back, guys, with multiples. As I said, they have pipelines, automations, payment integrations, website, you can create different offers and you can create coupons, and also you can give commissions or affiliations to your customers. I think these are really great perks. If you're interested in a Kajabi experience, I'm leaving the link down below. Thanks for joining, guys. This was a great challenge. I hope you found it helpful, and as always, next Thursday I'll see you in my next video. Bye.